When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Shivnag Recipes with me, Chef Shivnag.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare curd rice. It's very easy to prepare. We can serve this curd rice as a naivedyam to goddess. Don't skip the video, watch till ending for better result of this recipe. In a bowl, take boiled rice, add required amount of salt. Into this, add 1 cup of boiled milk. Keep aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add 2 cups of fresh curd. Combine everything and keep aside. For tadaka, take a oil in a pan. Once oil get heated, add 1 teaspoon of white urad dal, mustard seeds, chana dal, jeera, peppercorns. Fry it on a low flame. Now add dry red chilies, add curry leaves, add pinch of hing, once everything get fried, now switch off the flame. Transfer this tadaka into curd rice and combine everything. Into curd rice, add chopped green chilies, chopped ginger. At this moment, combine everything. Finally, curd rice was ready. It's very easy to prepare, but we need to follow few tricks to prepare the exact curd rice. If we add the milk to this curd rice, it tastes delicious. Please try this recipe and give your valuable feedback in the comment section. In next episode, I am going to prepare chicken curry. Don't miss it. When we upload videos for instant notification, subscribe to Chef Shivnag Recipes and click on the bell icon.